Hi class, welcome. Today, let me tell you, I'm really excited because ta-da! Today we start working on book 5. Yay! Book 5, remember, is the last book in the year. Book 5 and that's it. Okay? Well, before we start, we have to do something, some reminders. And also, I have to say, congratulations because you finished books 1, 2, 3, and working with me, you finished book 4. Yay! Today, I want you and I to go over the different sections. Well, we only have 2 sections, but in each section there are elements, there are parts, and I want you and I to review those parts and the book. Ready? So let's review the parts and the book. You already know the first parts, like the calendar, some icons that we have there, homework section. Sorry, too noisy. This page. I want you to look at this page. This is the beginning of the phonology section. Well, in fact, here's the phonology section, but at the beginning, there's always a page with information about the whole unit. Okay, so in book 5, you're going to be reading about Ireland and the words, all the lesson lists that we'll have are going to be seen as we learn more about Ireland. Okay? What is the name of this first section? Phonology. That means, or that is about phonemes, sounds, pronunciation of words, okay? Then the book presents the lesson. In this case, it's lesson 1. They give us a list of how many words? How many is that? 16. In this case, lesson 1 has 16 words. At this point, we're not paying attention to the meaning of the words. We don't know what they mean, what they are. Well, probably some, but we will pay attention to listening, identifying the sounds, and pronouncing the words. Listen and pronounce. That's all we want to do here. Of course, we're gonna start working the meaning, but you don't have to know the meaning of the words here, not now. Then we have working with sounds. In this activity, working with sounds, the title says it. We are working with the sounds. Pronunciation. What sounds do letters make when they are combined with others? Okay, so for this part, all we need to do is listen and identify the sounds when we pronounce the words. And of course, when you write them, well, you're practicing the spelling of them. Writing our words, this page is for you to start spelling. Okay? You don't need to have them memorized here. If you're writing your words, you can always copy from the word bank or look at your lesson list. Okay? Because you're still practicing them. You're still learning your words. Okay, today's activity is lesson 1, just like Mr. Bear says right there. Lesson 1. I don't know if everybody in the class has access to the platform, AMCO's platform, but if not, it's okay because I'm going to be playing the track from my iPad right here. So you can listen to this here. But if you have access to the platform and you want to listen to this again, you can do it. If not, here it is. Let me start. Here we go.
Lesson 1. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Extremely. Extremely.
Esta es la parte correcta de la actividad de Lesson 1. Okay, the activity for today is Lesson 1, just like Mr. Bear says right there. Lesson 1 on page 3. I'm going to play the track from my iPad so you can hear the words. What you have to do is listen quietly and repeat afterwards, okay? Listen and repeat. Please do repeat.
Lesson 1. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Extremely.
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 Recognition.
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 Frontier.
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 Stranded.
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 Cast off.
Cast off.
Cast off.
Cast off.
Communication.
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 Crew.
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 Hazardous. Hazardous.
Hazardous.
Doubtful.
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 Bravely.
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 Rescue.
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 Isolated.
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 Fashioned.
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 Wedged. Wedged.
Wedged.
Endurance.
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 Endurance. Did you identify the missing word? Which one was it? Okay, good. Now, the next thing you have to do with this new list is do page 5. Page 5 is only writing our words. I'll show you a nice picture of the book. For that, you will only write the words. Just please pay attention to the correct spelling of words, okay? It's very simple. Now, in the language section, which is the other section in the book, the language section, I need you to please look at this page. It is 72, right there. This is another page that I'm going to give you for homework. Why? Because this is really, really simple, and the only thing it requires is reading comprehension. I'm just gonna go through important keywords, so when you do the activity, It's very easy. This is talking about a map. Oh, wait a minute, let me take this away. This is about a map. You know what a map is, don't you? This is an example of a map. Map. Okay? Then it says, the book says, maps help you because maps give you location of places. Maps give you locations of places. In order to find locations, we use the word where. This is a word for places. Locations refer to places, so we might be using the word where as a question or where as a relative pronoun. Okay? Piccolo is the place where students are happy. Okay? Where is Piccolo? As a question, as a relative pronoun. Okay. Another important thing here is the word grid. Grid. This word refers to, where can I put it? Right there. Do you see this box? Wait a minute. Do you see this box right there? This box has lines down. Can you see that? Lines down and lines across. That's a grid. Okay? So when you read in the book page and they say the grid, they are talking to the box with lines like this. That's a grid. And then, another important thing. This class is a map of, is that the map of Mexico? No. Is that the map of United States? No. What is that the map of? This is the map of Ireland. The map of Ireland. Remember, in the first page in your phonology section, we read the word Ireland, and I mentioned Ireland is a country. Ireland. I think that's the correct spelling. It is. Ireland. That is a country. Mexico is a country. United States is a country. Ireland is a country. Now, this is a map of Ireland. Sorry, I was just looking at this. And then, I need you to please read. I'm gonna put this page here in the screen. I need you to read this information in order to answer these 5 questions. Let me read the first one for you. Where is Killarney? Where? It says right there. Where? And remember we said where refers to places. So you will tell me where. But I did not mention, excuse me. I'm going to stand up. I did not mention, you don't see me, but I'm here. There is a grid. Okay? That's a grid. The book says a grid has letters A, B, C, and it has numbers 1, 2, 3, like in the book. Wait, let me move my camera a little bit. Right there. If the book asks you, where is, for example, the happy face, you need to check the letters A, B. The happy face is in letter B and number, letter B and number 2. Where is the happy face? In B2. Okay? So, same thing, but now with the map and the book. Okay? Number 2. In which square is Blarney Castle? Same thing. What letter and what number? Letters first. Letter and then number. Number 3. What city is located in square DB? It's opposite. Okay? I need you to please do this at home. That is part of your homework. Reading comprehension, but it's very simple. Okay, class, I'll see you next class. Have a good day. See you.